Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo.
Hello and welcome to Moo Cow Phonics. I'm Lydia and this is Moo Cow. Say hello, Moo Cow.
Hello, Moo Cow.
Moo Cow is playing with a toy today.
Yeah, I really enjoy this toy.
Oh, lovely. Toy and enjoy both have the sound we're learning today. Oi. It's a digraph and it has two letters, O and Y. Oi. Can you make that sound, Moo Cow?
Oi.
Well done. Let's sound out the word toy. T, oi, toy. We can also sound out the word enjoy. J, oi, enjoy.
I'm going to play with it a bit more while you do your song.
Okay, Moo Cow. We'll sing a song to help us remember the oi sound. Let's sing oi, oi, toy. Enjoy the toy. Oi, oi, toy. Enjoy the toy. Oh, Moo Cow, where's your toy gone?
It no longer amuses me. I've moved on.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Let's have a go at drawing oi in the air while singing the song. If you want a challenge, you can have a go at writing the words enjoy and toy, or even writing the sentence enjoy the toy. You can pause the video here if you want to give that a go. Oi, oi, toy, enjoy the toy. Excellent, well done. Now it's time for What's in the Box.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Moo Cow is going to look in his box for things with oi in them. Oh, Moo Cow has found an action figure. It's a boy.
He's quite a grown-up boy. He's got a beard and everything.
But oi, boy. What else is in the box, Moo Cow?
I'll have a look.
Ah, now Moo Cow has found a crown. Crown doesn't have the oi sound in it, Moo Cow.
I know, but it's something someone who's royal might wear.
Oh yes, royal has the oi sound in it. Well done, Moo Cow.
Thank you.
Oi, royal. Anything else in the box, Moo Cow?
One more thing.
Oh, Moo Cow has found a flute. Oh, that is quite annoying, Moo Cow.
Exactly.
Oh yes, annoying has the oi sound in it. Oi, annoying. Very good, Moo Cow. And we've come to the end of our phonics lesson. Did you have fun learning oi today, Moo Cow?
I really enjoyed it.
That's great. There is another digraph which makes the oi sound. Oi, which we'll learn in another video. Come back next time to see which sound Moo Cow is going to learn next. We'll see you next time. Say bye, Moo Cow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo.